Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, US continue to trend higher and hitting new highs, mainly driven by the expectation of good quarterly results in the coming period and expected interest rate cut by Federal Reserve. Uh, though there is shutdown continue and there is no solutions, not seen any solutions for that up till now. But market is ignoring that particular perspective. Asian markets are mixed. Hong Kong is closed, but other market, few of them are marginally up and few other are negative as well. Whereas Indian market had seen last 3 days good bounce back, and considering the good response in the good response in the figures which came out for the month, specifically post GST cut, and also the comment from the RBI on the future, some leeway for growth for the banking sector for loans and all. So the directions continue to remain positive for Indian market. Only thing we had seen 3 day of run up, so there could be some consolidation happening in today's trade. But overall outlook is positive for the Indian market. Hmm. Apart from that, Bihar election date has been announced. There is a thinking that the India-US negotiations, though continuing, but is on the slower path, can revive post Bihar election, and there is a possibility that thereafter the outcome can come after that. So that will the election is in November, so quite possible by November end or maybe in December we can get some outcome of the negotiation between India and US. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note or the positive, and we are likely to witness some sort of a positive mood during a market. Sir has rightly pointed out that from the last three trading sessions, we are witnessing a very strong momentum rally on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty front. We have seen a recovery from the lows of at around 24,500 levels towards 25,000 psychological mark has been surpassed yesterday on the closing basis, which gives a positive sign. Also, the interesting fact that if you look towards the Bollinger Band, Nifty is well placed above the 20 DMA, which is a strong indications, and this pullback rally is likely to be extended towards 25,200 to 25,400 in the near term futures. But for today intraday purpose, the first support is resistance is placed at around 25,150. Any move above that level will see the upward rally to be continued towards 25,230 to 25,300 levels on the higher side. Whereas on the downside, the support is placed at around 24,940 and 24,800 levels. The view will remain definitely positive on the Nifty. Positive momentum can be seen because the large caps are really doing very well from the last 2 to 3 trading sessions, which helps the Nifty on to run on the high side or say on the northern direction. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, from the last within the span of a 3 trading sessions, we have a scene of almost 1,000 point rally into the Bank Nifty. Also, the interesting fact that on the future side, the Bank Nifty has given the downward sloping trend lines breakouts. Yesterday only it has shown a very bullish sign on the technical front. I believe that the Bank Nifty is likely to be see the extension of this rally towards 57,000 mark. Initial target will be at those levels. But for today intraday purpose, the resistance first is placed at around 56,480. Above that level, 56,650, 56,900 levels can be seen. Whereas the support is placed at around 56,000 and 55,740. Stock specific, please to keep an eye on the LNT. This particular counter is showing a positive crossovers on the DMA, say the 50 and 100 DMA, which is showing a positive crossovers on the daily chart. And also the interesting fact that the on the weekly stock chart, the stock is under the consolidation phase, and we are preempting the preempting the breakouts in the near term futures. So those who are looking for any long term trades, LNT will be the counter, one can definitely hold into their portfolio or can generate a long positions at the CMP. We are looking for a target of 3900 levels from here onwards. So if you are getting any deeps towards to even though 3670, one can definitely add on the LNT by keeping a strict stop loss of 3600 for a target of 3900 levels. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, last couple of days have been very good for the markets. Good recovery led by the banks, and broad-based rally actually. Good base building has been seen around 25,000 levels, which is a good sign. Expect further buying to continue and Nifty to go towards the 25,500 levels going forward. The PCR has shot up, which was below 1. It has now come up around 1.3 odd, now getting into the overbought zone. However, there is still some space looking at the other indications that Nifty can probably go towards the 25,500 levels. There is a small resistance around 25 to 50, 25,300 levels on the futures. So when it comes there, some sort of profit booking or consolidation can come in there. Look out for the same. Um, Good support is now placed around 25,000 with the highest put base shifting upwards from 24,500 to 25,000 levels. Uh, from the stock specific front, we are still very positive on banks. Expect private banks and PSUs to witness good buying action. So, Canara Bank, SBI from the PSU space can do well going forward. And in the private space, Axis, ICICI, HDFC, Kotak, all of these have it a lot of short covering and good buying action can be seen in these as well. Look out for the same. IT stocks witnessed good reversal yesterday, and most of the stocks now seem to be witnessing short covering action. Expect some more buying in the IT space. TCS, Infosys can do well going forward, so look out for the same. That's it from my side. Like to other fundamental team to take over, please.
Thank you, Neerav. Good morning, everyone. Today, LG Electronics India Limited IPO is opening for subscription. It will be closing on 9th of October. We are recommending subscribe to the issue. The price band is set at rupees 1,140 rupees at the upper end. The total issue size is of around 11,607 crore, and it is a complete offer for sale from its parent company, LG Electronics Korea. Um, the post-issue market cap would be around 77,380 crore. The LG Electronics India Limited is one of the leading players in the major home appliances and consumer electronics, mainly in the offline channel. The company holds leading position in across product categories such as washing machine, refrigerators, panel TVs, inverter air conditioners, and microwaves. It mainly caters to the two segments, that is home appliances and air solutions and home entertainment. The company is a subsidiary of LG Electronics Korea, and it comes with a strong brand equity and technological excellence. It has seen a decent performance in the past with top line growth of around 11% CAGR and PAT growth of 28% CAGR between FY23 and 25. During the same period, the margins have expanded by around 320 basis points. For FY25, EBITDA margin reported at 12.8%. The company is having diverse product offerings and the strong manufacturing capabilities. It has a good profitability profile, and the return ratios are also very robust, with ROE at 36.9% and ROCE at 46.8%. The few of the future growth drivers for the company include setting up of new manufacturing facility at Andhra Pradesh, which will focus on exports market, and also it is looking at new avenues for revenue generation through after sale services, which will have an annual maintenance charges model. With strong fundamentals and a positive growth outlook, the issue appears to be attractively priced at a valuation of around 35 times to FY25 earnings compared to industry average of 56 times. Thus, we recommend subscribe rating on the IPO. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. So LTI Mindtree has received a multi-year digital transformation deal from a global entertainment company. Size of the deal is not disclosed. However, this would be positive for the company. Secondly, one logistic firm, Glotus Limited, is getting listed today. Considering the geopolitical rift and pressure on the freight forwarding business, we had given a neutral rating to this issue. And post listing, the market cap of this company would be around 1100 crore. Expected listing price is going to be flattish to the issue price of 129. That's it from me. Thank you.
Yeah, hello. Yesterday we met the management of Diffusion Engineering, the company, and also visited their plant. The expansion from the IPO money is going on very well and is expected to start in fourth quarter of the current year. Apart from that, the order booking is quite strong and maybe coming even higher than the last quarter. So that is indicating that the future growth can continue. Management has indicated its earlier guidance to maintain. They had indicated that current year they will be doing a revenue between 400 to 425 crores, which they said that they will be able to achieve. The main roller business is doing exceedingly well. They are getting quite a good ordering in that. In fact, they had around 100 crores plus order in the roller, which we feel is generally of a higher margin and can support the margin as well. So overall, the company is on track, and we had recommended this stock for a long-term perspective and continue to recommend this company for long-term perspective. And one can keep on accumulating this stock from a view of almost around 2 year perspective. So it's a small company with revenue of around last year around 325 crores, and what we feel that over a period this can become a larger company and can give a good return over a period of time. So that's all from us, and I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we might witness gold prices testing 1,20,500 to 1,21,000 on upside. So wait for a dip around 1,19,700 and maintain a stop loss of 1,19,300. In silver, also expecting prices to test 148,500, 1,50,000 on upside. Buying on dips around 1,46,500, 200, and maintain a stop loss of 145, 1,45,000. Yesterday, we had witnessed copper pricing witnessing a profit booking rally, though today prices are expected to open gap up. So as long as it is holding the support area at 990, we expect buying momentum to continue. So maintain a stop loss of 987. And in zinc, there could be a pullback till 295, 296. For trading purpose, one can buy with a stop loss of 293, and again on upside 296, one can sell with a strict stop loss of 298. In crude oil, we are expecting pullback. Prices are expected to test 5600 on upside. So buy around 5480 and maintain a stop loss of 5400. In natural gas, we might witness some consolidation from 295 to 310. So any dip around 295, one can initiate a buy and maintain a stop loss of 287. And that's it from us. Thank you very much.